Hey everyone, thank you for stopping by to check out this short video I've put together here to give you guys a little more insight on what's happening in the world of credit, as well as mortgages and home loans and some things that are starting to have an effect on people. As always, if you would do me a favor, please like, subscribe, and share. Really trying to grow this channel. So we're going to be a place where people can come to get up to date information on what's happening in the world of real estate straight from the experts who are handling this. Real estate agents, mortgage bankers like myself, credit experts. So you have a place to come to get the real answers about what's happening instead of trying to look at your television news actors for them to tell you whatever the script said for them to tell you. But with that said, I've got a quick special guest here I brought in because he is our go-to credit expert, Mr. Greg West. Thank you for stopping by today, sir.
Welcome. Glad to be here again.
Yeah, it's always a pleasure to have you. And there's something that has come up as of lately in my world of lending. And I'm sure a lot of folks out there have heard of these. And I'm just picking on Affirm, for example. It's because it's one of these short term loans you can get if you're looking on Amazon or you're looking on other places where they say, hey, you don't have the money to buy this bigger ticket item today, you can use an account like Affirm. Here's some of the challenges that we're starting to see with this. One, it's going to be a little bit higher interest rate. I know they say here 0% APR, but when you start adding in the fees and other things that go along with these, and depending on the amount of time you want to borrow the money for, there's going to be a charge for the interest. What's been happening as of lately is typically these Affirm accounts would not be reported to your credit reporting agency. However, which people are going, oh, that's fine. If I'm looking at getting a mortgage and I have an Affirm account, it's not going on my credit report. So it's really not going to show up and have any effect on my ability to get a mortgage. That's not the case. When you get one of these type of accounts, you are having to attach a bank account to it. And guess what's happening when you go into underwriting? We're going to see on there, and the underwriter is going to see on there Affirm payments. And I've had this happen with clients as well. Now you have to go get the documentation to A, show it's been paid off, or show us what the balance is and how many payments are left. And now we have to count those payments against you in your debt to income ratio, which can have an effect on your ability to qualify for the home loan. So you really want to keep this in mind when you're looking at these type of accounts, because this can definitely factor in your ability to qualify for the home loan, the home you want, or not qualify. And the reason I brought Mr. West here is before these things never really went on the credit reports much, did they, Greg?
No, I wasn't even aware of them. And this really is not the best way to build credit. It's a short-term deal. It's going to affect your length of credit history, all the open and closed accounts. There's much better ways to build credit with secured cards, high-risk credit cards, even loans where you're putting up collateral, things like that. There's much better programs. So generally, if you can't afford something, you probably just need to avoid these programs anyway.
Exactly. Well, I appreciate you stopping by today, Greg, and I appreciate you all for being here. Be on the lookout for more videos like this that we're going to be sending out weekly. That's going to have a lot of good information about what's happening and what's going on in the world of credit and mortgages, so you can make informed decisions in the year of 2025 and beyond. Thank you all, and like and subscribe and share. Appreciate you.